On your head, you're no bad man. Pussy car, your head. Unknown killers, unknown victims. Drive down
boss. Yeah, you mean. But watch it, man. Watch the man there, say, man. The man say unknown killers, you know. Unknown vehicle in a youth. Then the man say, dead. Oh, God.
people.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka The Reaction Boss. Now we're here with another reaction for you guys, and guess what we have today? We have Blak Ryno, Murderous. Now guys, I've been seeing you guys spamming this for a long while, but guys, if you understand, I'm busy. And for 1 minute, I have my camera on, I get it back now. And I get the reaction now. We not submit hard. Every single comment, but I want to the first comment them. Murderous. So we're dealing with it right now, people. Subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. You see me I say, you'll get 30,000 subscribers before the year ends. You see me I say, like the video. That's how you get help rank the video more so more people can get to see the video. You understand me I say? Comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. I don't know a chopper right in the cars. I don't know the ones and I want to comment the song I feel long, you know. So I know so we post every single day, you know. Numerous times for the day, you know. You see me I say? Yeah. So this is the first video of the day. And they don't know, go put a little juggling. I'm get my camera, I can go juggling now. So, anyways, so I'm going for the song, yeah. For one nothing look like a Jamaican there, and music video. You know what? Run tune. Blak Ryno. Foreign. Like a new, which part is this? Me no know how. Unknown records. Run tune.
From me,
man, them outside.
Can't get away from
drop
me,
top.
you're dead.
Man, them have money now. What me to them again? See, because I'm not sweat already. This song started. Man, them rich. White tees, everything pan the black. The man, them they youth. Pan the black, the man, them they go on.
You're on your head. You know, Batman talk, you're dead. You be dead.
God, you bomba class. Alright, go, yo. Alright, then we see what I go. I'm ready. When you say song bad in the dog, when you say chopping, I want to say it in the dog. You see me, I say so run tune, no man.
Dead.
Yeah?
I feel like you're
Watch the friend you keep facts. Oh, Mishibu. That's the song I just reacted a while ago. I thought yesterday still, what? Go check it out. Run tune!
On your head, you're no bad man. Pussy car, your head. Unknown killers, unknown victims. Drive down
boss. Yeah, you mean. But watch it, man. Watch the man there, say, man. The man say unknown killers, you know. Unknown vehicle in a youth. Then the man say, dead. Oh, God.
People.
Yeah.
Be transforming a evil. No put mask on face of your feet. Yeah. Be murderous.
I said, no mask on face of your seat. See, if you see who are bombing in the face, if you see who are bombing in the ends, the man now wear no mask. No mask, the dog say him now wear. Dead. God!
Murderous.
Yeah.
Run up on them black and murder them girl a cuss.
Sure.
We know yet and boy for try them gonna murder us.
You, that's so bad. Don't like that. Murderous. Run up on them black and kill them now. Them girl a cuss. Yo, the murderous. Run up on them black and kill them. Them girl a cuss. Bomba clat. Dead. Go on.
Evil dog go deal with people fuck up. Me gonna borrow. Shut out tomorrow left your fucking head back a low.
Sure.
The world no promise you tomorrow when me pop up.
You hear this man say? The dog say him gun down borrow. Shut out your head back and left your shut out your whatever left your head back shallow or bomba clat. Man does say dog. Dead. Murderous. Bomba clear and tune.
Bullet a clap up on your fucking skin and chop up. Yeah man, plenty blood from my pop. Me and the boy them in a toss up. Rat bat not give a fuck the world.
Me and the boy them in a toss up. Oh, me have to run back in that tune little bit. Me run back little bit. Go on now, Miss General.
Your fucking skin and chop up. Yeah man, plenty blood from my pop. Me and the boy them in a toss up. Rat bat not give a fuck the world. Place for my shop.
See man say I'm gonna chop you up. And I guess I don't want to have time chop you up. Plenty blood from my pop. Bomba cleat. Buckley. What do you hear about Blak Ryno? Ah. Dad. That's what they got me now. Your tune.
Kylie push out a rifle so she back up. Squaddy try bail off to the rifle and back up and a radio back up. This thing of them, you win of them, not.
Song bad, but look on Biggs in the background. You know what happened? Biggs a bad man in you. Biggs are coming. Biggs, you got the whole of the girl them lock off by the end, so they know about you. What them know about Biggs? Biggs are like the whole scheme with the girl them. You see if a boy girl, see if a girl man want forward and then come this. Biggs do what? Dad. Them know the Biggs run back in that show there.
Up and a radio back up. This thing of them, you win of them.
Yeah.
Trouble the devil in of them. Spray corner.
I'm saying the thing of them, the win of them, the devil in of them. Me sting at them, me ring at them, me devil. Why me can't go? I can't understand my own bumbuckle culture language so dog. Dad. That part the Lord got me that. Yo, hold on, intermission time. You say if I watch reaction right now, like the video, like the bumbuckle belt video right now. And if you don't subscribe, or if you subscribe and touch the bell to select all notifications if you know when I post a late video. Come here, so nah, bumbuckle belt, do the right thing, you know. Subscribe to the kids channel right now. Run tune.
5 lane, no spear corner. Steve Lane, evil beer drama.
Yeah.
Murderous.
Well, on the pass. BMW, them man are there pan in the dark. BMW, drop top. BMW too, no? That means they get a drop panty hard too, no youth. Me nah say 40 more words in that. Uno see and go on. Go on.
Murderous. Run up on them black and fuck it up the world of us.
Yeah.
Dog are so evil. Yeah, we deal with people fuck up. Unknown killers, unknown victims.
A bad song. And them will repeat over the bumbuckle belt. Me friend now I repeat over the chorus and thing. So go and react to the video now. You did me and say, God, we murderous. Alright, so I go on now. Everything we are look on now, don't it? Watch us style.
Drive down from people.
Yeah.
Be transforming a evil. We no put.
Me nah bother with it. Me nah bother with it. No. Go on.
Upon them black and murder them
Murderous. Hey.
We know yet and boy if we try them gun we murder us. Yeah, that's how we evil. Dog go deal with people fuck up.
It's a one man in a mask, you know. Watch. Bro got alone in a female mask, you know. Everybody say catch corona out there so. Everybody say catch corona out there so. You must see that mask and say, me nah catch no corona, I can't go on.
Night we know no special time to see the killer strike. Water for ride out a killer bike. Who no get it?
You hear that? Man say nah no special time. Waterford right out the. What them know about Blak Ryno? What them know about Blak Ryno? What them know about the Murderous boss? What them know about that? Go on!
In the face I get it in and chop ya. Passage forward ready if you cap it up.
Yeah.
Rapid up right to shot in on them.
Yeah, what they say? When I get it in the face, I get it in them tripe. Rapid burst, rapid. I go try my song in the car, whole day to them, I go for the road. Turn up your blood, make your body says I turn head. Some go on and I play Jamaican music over here and you and put them over here, man. Run through.
Them drive by from Wednesday to Wednesday. What to them there? Tell a boy we ready. You
can't say drive by from Wednesday to Wednesday. And Wednesday to Wednesday, I'm say a while ago.
Shot in on them, yeah. Give them drive by from Wednesday to Wednesday. What to them there?
And now my Sunday to Sunday now, Wednesday to Wednesday, them man I give them drive by from me. I know about that. How they know about them lyrics there? Go on back in that tune.
More the time I walk and murder some boy, me need a petty. Yeah. Rock forward up in the rifle in on them. Yeah. Be transforming a evil. We no put murder first. Yeah, that's how we evil.
Murderous people. One thing about the song. But no something like that that song is for the longest while. You see me I say, it's been a boy Tyrekevlogs the reaction boss. And just get a mad reaction from the boss a while ago. I'm not like Blak Ryno. I'm like that video dog. I like the scene and everything. Me actually used to see them backside kind of house and pan the black settings over here so dog. I know some really there Jamaica. So maybe I say I rate that little scene there for really bad. Tough. Did me I say. But big up on yourself, thanks for checking out the video. It's been a boy tie. I'm out.